Prolific is marketed as a platform where people can earn money by participating in online research studies and surveys conducted by universities, researchers, and companies. It promises fair compensation and a better experience than many traditional survey sites. But the real question is, can you really get paid to take surveys? Now, to be fair, Prolific is a legitimate research platform that has built a strong reputation for connecting participants with academic and market research studies. What it does well: legitimate paid studies. Participants can earn money by completing approved research studies from verified researchers. Fairer compensation. Compared to many survey platforms, Prolific generally aims to pay participants at or above its minimum hourly pay standard. Where the hype falls apart: studies aren't always available. The number of surveys you receive depends on your demographics, location, and researcher demand. It's not a full-time income. Most users earn extra spending money rather than a consistent salary. You need to qualify. Some studies are only available to participants who meet specific eligibility requirements. So, should you use Prolific? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for a legitimate way to earn a little extra money. If you're happy earning occasional income by participating in research studies, Prolific is one of the better-known platforms available. But don't expect it to replace a regular job. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.